Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking, and in this video, we are going to look at view feature number 5, Show Equation Toolbar for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on View and then select Show Equation Toolbar, the following appears. I can now add in any logical or mathematical equation as needed into my Google Doc. To do so, I need to click on New Equation. As can be seen, a box is now around my cursor. This is where my equation will appear. For this sample, I'm going to use miscellaneous operations, and I'm going to select a division sign. I can then use my cursor to add in whatever equation I see as necessary for this Google Doc. I can choose if I would like to include an answer or not. To complete my equation, all I have to do is move my cursor to somewhere outside of the equation box. And in this way, I can create logical and mathematical equations within a Google Doc. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.